Hello, dear students, and welcome to English on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about present perfect, what we've done in our class. Let's talk about the rule first. How do we make it? We said that we need two things to make the present perfect. Has or have plus the past participle. Let's talk about first, when do we use has? We use has with the pronouns he or she or it, or for example, if we have a name like Alex or Muhammad or Ibrahim. Then have, we use it with the pronouns I or you or they or we. Okay, so for example, I have, you have, they have, he has, she has, Alex has. After this, we put the past participle. What is the past participle? The past participle is a part of the verb that we make. And we have two cases, okay? Two types, let's call them. One for regular verbs and one for irregular verbs. If a verb is regular, for example, play or watch, what do? We put ed at the end of the verb. So play becomes played. And that is the past participle. If the verb is irregular, we need to check the workbook, page 135. So we can do this now. We have the workbook. We're gonna go at the end, page 135. And then we have the past participle of the irregular verb, which is not the first form, not the second one, but the third one. Number 3 is the past participle. Okay? So, for example, let's say we have the verb play. If we want to change it to present perfect, what do we need? Let's use I. We will say I have. And then what is the past participle of play? We said play is regular, so we put ed. I have played. Okay, and that is the present perfect. Okay, what do we use this for? What do we use the present perfect for? When we have a finished action, an action that is done, it's halas, as we like to say in Arabic, but it's still true now. For example, you have made the class dirty. What is the verb here? What is the fa'il? Have made. Don't just say made, because we have before. So we need to take them together. Have made. What does this mean? That it's a finished action that is still true now. It means that this happened in the past. Okay? But it is still true now. What does it mean? It's still true now. It means that the class is still dirty now. Nobody cleaned it, right? It happened in the past. How do we know it's the past? Because we have this made here. Okay, it's past participle. Let's remember. So it happened in the past, but it's still true now. The class is still dirty. This is what we use the present perfect for. When we have something that happened before, it's halas, it's done, finished, but it's still true now. It didn't change. The fact didn't change.